Toucan, colorful bird with a big bill for reaching fruit and making loud sound call. Poison dart frog, small toxic frog with bright colors for protection. Sloth, slow tree dweller that conserve energy by moving slowly. Tree monkey, swing through trees, long limbs and tail social animals. Anteater, long snouted eater ants and termites along with sharp claws. Tapir, large plant eating mammal with a trunk like snout. They are excellent swimmers. Tree frogs, sticky toad that lives in trees and lays eggs in water. They are known for their vibrant colors and unique sounds. Chameleon, lizard that changes colors. They have independently moving eyes and long sticky tongue to reach insects. Jaguar, jaguars are big strong cats with unique spotted coats. They are skilled at hunting and swimming. They usually hunt near water. Butterflies, colorful insects with patterned wings, undergoes metamorphosis.